recently I made a very tough decision. I'm selling my bike. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm heading to 219 Motor Shops to touch up my wheel decals. The gold color portion that you guys see on my wheels are actually the vinyl wrap. It's a gold chrome vinyl wrap. They are not painted, so some of the areas have lifted off and I will need to go back to the decal shops to touch up the wraps. So before I bought my R6, or before I even start my YouTube channel, I've been watching those superbike videos from US, UK and Thailand. I've seen many superbikes. They are using the Marchesini wheels, especially the gold color one, and I find that it looks pretty awesome on any bikes. So this is the reason why it inspired me to wrap my wheels, you know, with the gold chrome wraps. I've been using this wrap for about 5 years now. So right after when I bought my R6, I went to the decal shops, which is the 219 Motor Shops, to wrap my wheels with the gold chrome vinyl wrap. And because the material of the vinyl wrap is pretty thick compared to the normal wrap, so it doesn't last that long on the wheel itself. So every now and then you have to go back to the decal shops to touch up, because some of the area will leave off and it will not stick on the wheel itself. So this is my third visit to the decal shops to touch up the wraps. This gold chrome vinyl wrap is a lot more expensive compared to the normal vinyl wrap because of the material. So 5 years ago when I wrapped my wheels, I paid for about $195 for a pair of two, and until now I still find that it looks really awesome on my bike. And of course there are paint shops, spray shops that spray motorcycle parts like the bike fairing, the wheels and other motorcycle parts. It's pretty expensive to spray the gold chrome color on a bike, and the cheaper option will be vinyl wrap, gold chrome vinyl wrap. is also much more expensive compared to the normal vinyl wrap. And of course, painting the wheels are much more durable, as the wrap will leave off and will not stick on the surface of the wheel over the years. And every now and then you have to go back to touch up the vinyl wraps. So 5 years ago, I paid for about $195 for the gold chrome wrap, and the regular wrap is about $120. I can't really remember the exact amount. So right now, I'll be heading to 219 Motor Shops to touch up my decals. I don't see there are a lot of bikes inside, so hopefully I don't need to wait long for my turn. And let me show you guys where is the lifted off ear on the wrap. Yep, this is the ear. So this area we need to touch up. And the front will be this area. So actually these are the vinyl wraps like I mentioned earlier, and I always like the look of the gold chrome wheels. It's just like a Marchesini wheels, especially the gold one, the anodized gold color Marchesini wheel, and they're very expensive. And the set of wheels will easily cost about $3,000 over, and that's crazy expensive. So later I'll be getting those guys at 219 Motor Shops to touch up my decals. Oh no, they won't be able to touch up the gold chrome wrap, so which means I will need to redo the whole wrap on my wheels. And they do have the gold chrome wrap in stock, so they will need to order, and I will need to leave my bike here. So it seems like I will need to come back again to touch up my wheels. God, this is so scary. Please don't fall. Please don't fall. And recently I made a very tough decision. I'm selling my bike, so that's the reason why I'm coming here to touch up my Go Chrome wrap. It's for the next buyer, the new buyer, as I need to do up nicely for the new owner. I've been riding this R6 for about 5 years. And I'm very satisfied with the bike. I have no complaints about that. So the only complaints that I have is the heat from the engine, especially when you're running in the KP tunnel. Your shin, your leg is burning hot. I'm not going to beat the red light, so probably when you guys watch this video, I might have sold my R6, or I'm still selling my R6. That's a pretty tough decision for me to make. So if you guys are interested to buy R6, or if you have any friends who want to buy a R6, you can just drop me a DM on my Instagram. You can arrange for a meetup to view the bike. So a lot of things have been done on my bike, like the replacement of the radiator cap, initial coil, timing chain tensioner, the brake pads. Right now I'm using the SBS racing brake pads, and there are still a lot of meat left on the brake pad. And the tire that I'm using is the Bridgestone Battleac S21. There are not much of wear and tear on the tires, so it's pretty new. If you guys were to buy this bike, the only thing that you need to do will be just the oil change, because my bike is due for an oil change soon. And if you are not comfortable with the battery, you can replace the battery also, because I've been using this battery for about 1.5 years, and usually a battery will last you for about 2 to 3 years. So if you're not comfortable with it, you can replace it with a new one. So I would say the condition of this R6 is pretty good. A lot of stuff have been replaced, and like I mentioned earlier, I have no complaint about this bike. The handling is great. The power delivery is there when you need it. So it's quite a tough decision for me to make, to sell off my R6. Alright guys, so that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. So the actual reason why I want to sell my bike, I won't be telling you guys, so please stay tuned on my channel. Probably I might quit riding. Probably I might downgrade to a smaller cc 2B bike, or probably I might upgrade to a bigger cc bike. So stay tuned on my YouTube channel. Also, do remember to like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in the next one. Stay safe, ride safe, and bye.